Before I go in and take in closing strategies from our experts, just to point out a few stocks which have had a meaningful move. Godrej Industries is now at 266. It was at 260, in fact, much lower at as well in the first time the call was initiated. 10% higher for Godrej Industries. Stellar call, Ashwini. I know you would say that that is a stock of the day and that probably remains the top BTST. The question mark is for somebody who missed out buying it at 260. At 264, you still buy it?
Today is the first day this stock has had a serious move post its correction. So, the stock going up today means that somebody is buying it. So, if you buy it today, the target is still 290. There's enough to, buy for. But obviously your, risk reward keeps moving. Now your stop should be maybe 258.
Okay, stop of 258 and you can still buy it at the current levels. Since we're doing closing strategies, so first Ashwini, a closing strategy from you, aside of Godrej Industries, anything else that you would initiate a trade on?
Jet Airways was sideways in a narrow range for a couple of days. Today seems to have broken out. See, I know it's a terrible industry, they're not paying their taxes, etc., but if the stock is moving higher, somebody is buying it and probably the person has more information than you or me have. So the target here could be, levels of about 335, 340, and you can keep a stop about 308 to about 310.
That's an interesting one, Ashwini. Could be the dark horse in this time's budget. 7.5% at 314. Prabhakar, just get in your perspective on Jet Airways, the aviation pack, and whether you want to play on the anticipation of what can come about, though the expectation is not so high there. And also, Godrej Industries, real estate for that matter.
Godrej Industry is an all-time buy for us. We are very positive on the stock. But Jet Airways, aviation as a sector, we are not positive. Even if the FDI in aviation is going to come, it is not so easy to bring in foreign investors to invest in India, because globally itself aviation is not an attractive sector. Now, Richard Branson said, if you want to become a millionaire, be a billionaire and invest in aviation. That is a quote we give for our reports on aviation. But Jet Airways, yes, it benefits from the problem Kingfisher is facing. So short term there can be good rally. But one should use these kind of rallies to lighten the position in Jet Airways. Airlines is not a sector we like, and maybe till budget you can wait for that announcement, then also you can exit. But it is not our story to be in. Now we have other sectors, other stocks which can give very good return.
I'm sure. What is it? Let's not talk about multiple stocks, Prabhakar. Give us one solid mid-cap idea that you believe is a good investment theme.
Engineers India. We like Engineers India.
Why?
It is an infrastructure space, and the amount of government